Why are pythons a problem in Florida and why is shooting them necessary?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to talk about a serious ecological issue in Florida, the invasive python problem. We'll explore why pythons have become a significant problem in the state and why shooting them has become a necessary step to address this issue.
The invasion of pythons.
Florida, with its subtropical climate and diverse ecosystem, has unfortunately become a thriving habitat for invasive Burmese pythons. These pythons are native to Southeast Asia and were introduced to Florida through the exotic pet trade. However, due to irresponsible pet ownership and accidental releases, the python population in Florida has exploded.
Ecological impact.
The proliferation of Burmese pythons in Florida has had devastating consequences for the native wildlife. These large constrictor snakes have few natural predators in their new environment, allowing them to prey on a wide variety of species. They have been documented consuming native mammals, birds, reptiles, and even endangered species, disrupting the delicate balance of the ecosystem.
Threat to biodiversity.
The unchecked growth of python populations poses a significant threat to Florida's biodiversity. Native species that evolved without the presence of such a formidable predator are ill-equipped to defend themselves against the pythons. Their predatory behavior and ability to reproduce rapidly have led to severe declines in many native populations.
Damage to the Everglades.
The Florida Everglades, a unique and iconic ecosystem, has been particularly affected by the presence of pythons. These snakes are capable of adapting to various habitats, including the wetlands of the Everglades. Their presence disrupts the natural balance and has a cascading effect on the entire ecosystem. It's estimated that the python population in the Everglades alone could be in the tens of thousands.
Control measures.
Given the urgent need to address the python problem in Florida, various control measures have been implemented. One of the most controversial methods is shooting the pythons. While it may seem extreme, it's important to understand that shooting is considered a necessary tool in the overall effort to control the python population.
Importance of shooting.
Shooting pythons is necessary for several reasons. Firstly, it allows trained professionals to effectively remove individual snakes from the ecosystem. This helps reduce the overall number of pythons and minimizes their negative impact on native wildlife. Secondly, shooting is a humane method when carried out by skilled individuals who can ensure a quick and ethical kill.
Preventing further spread.
Another reason shooting pythons is necessary is to prevent their further spread into new areas. By actively targeting and removing pythons through shooting, we can limit their movement and prevent them from establishing new populations in other parts of Florida and beyond. In conclusion, the invasive python problem in Florida is a serious issue that requires urgent attention. The devastating impact on native wildlife and delicate ecosystems cannot be ignored. While shooting pythons may be controversial, it is a necessary step to control their population, protect biodiversity, and prevent further spread. Let's work together to find effective solutions and safeguard the natural heritage of Florida for future generations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has shed some light on this important topic.